Hi guys! Welcome back! So ngayon, i-demo natin ang Wiim Sound. Pero syempre, i-set up muna natin. Tara! Open naman natin yung Wiim. As you can see guys, hindi siya mahirap i-set up. Compact, minimalist, and pwede mo siyang ilagay kahit saan. Connect mo lang siya, hit play, and enjoy your fave songs right away. Meron na siyang built-in dock and amp, supports high-quality audio playback, may multiple connectivity options, may app control din, and of course, stable wireless streaming, smooth and tuloy-tuloy yung listening experience. Perfect siya for everyday, chill, work, or background music lang habang may ginagawa ka. If gusto nyo marinig how it actually sounds, visit us here at Hi-Fi by NicelyDone, located at 103A Biak na Bato Street, Barangay Siena, Quezon City.